Back again, this or that Sports TV here with Damain Smith, right? AKA Messi. Now, a question that I also asked the previous player. Talk to me about the pre-season leading into the Manning Cup.
The pre-season we are doing great, although never did there enough matches to combine with the group, but we are getting there.
And obviously you played against Yeild.
Yeah.
Tough defeat, 4-0. What was the message from the coach leading into today's game?
Coaches tell for set the psychological tone for the first 15 minutes, and that we do that well. Out today we knocked the ball and Calabar still, but didn't get to put away enough chances.
Okay, and talk to me about your overall game today.
Uh,
How did you feel you did today?
I did a pretty good job, but I think I can do more. But I will go back on the training ground and come again for the next game.
Okay, and that next game is against Camperdown. Do you now believe that this team is ready to face Camperdown and do the same thing that you did today against Calabar, or even better?
No, don't go in the side still now, but any side come up, we will fight. And get the 3 points.
Well, you heard it from Mr. Smith right here, aka Messi. KC is going to fight. Thank you, sir, and all the best for the rest of the season.
Baby, may fall whenever you. See you.
Bless you.